At Titebond, we understand how important proper sealant installation is to the success of your job, and we want you to be successful. Consider the following steps in your next installation. To greatly improve the chances for a successful installation, be sure to use one of the following Titebond sealants based on the specific application: Titebond Weathermaster Siding, Window, and Door Sealant, Metal Roof Sealant, and Ultimate MP Sealant, plus a caulk gun and a backer rod. First, analyze the joint movement. 50% joint movement is expected with Titebond sealants. If a joint is not designed correctly, the sealant will be incapable of performing as expected, and joint or sealant failure will likely result. After determining your joint design, select the sealant that is best for the job. Once you've chosen the sealant, it's time to prepare for sealant installation. When installing sealant, it is important to remember these 4 words: clean, stable, dry, and primed. Make sure the area is clean, ensure the substrates are stable, and it is best if the area is dry, although several Titebond sealants can be applied to damp surfaces. Not all sealants require the area to be primed, but it is important to know if this step is needed. After preparation is complete, a proper joint needs to be formed. For the joint to be successful, the sealant must not be bonded on 3 sides or be applied too thick. 2-sided adhesion allows the bond to stretch freely. Once applied, the sealant can then be taped and tooled if desired. The joint also does not have to be tooled to finish the job. Once the sealant has dried and cured, most can be painted, if necessary, to match the chosen siding. Titebond offers sealant matches for all major fiber cement siding and metal manufacturers. Now that you've installed your sealant properly, you can enjoy a job well done. To learn more about successful sealant installation, visit Titebond.com.